Builders often come to me asking how to allow for project management in a job, how to allow the cost of a project manager per site. Do they allow it in the bill of quantities? Do they just allow it as one of the fixed costs and therefore have to allow for that in their gross profit margin? And the simple answer is, well, it depends on where your business is at. So for example, if you're doing the project management yourself, which is common for a small builder, then the business is paying you a wage and it's a fixed cost and it needs to come out of your gross profit. Alternatively, if you have a project manager or site supervisor on a salary, paid every week regularly in the pay run, then again, that's a fixed cost and it needs to come out of your overall gross profit for the business. So when you're adding your margin to the job, and that's a separate conversation, and we've done blogs on how to correctly calculate margin versus markup. But when you're adding that, then you need to allow enough gross profit per job to cover the cost of the fixed overhead of your project management. Alternatively, another way to supervise or project manage sites is contract supervision. So you're paying a percentage of the job to a contractor. And in that case, then that cost goes in the bill of quantities. It's a definable variable cost per job. And as such, you don't need as much gross profit to cover your fixed overheads because your fixed overheads are smaller. So I hope you can see either way you've got to cover the cost, but there's no right or wrong way of whether it should be in the bill of quantities or not. Look, if you want more clarity on things like this is the types of things we're working with our builders every day on. And we can show you how to properly put a bill of quantities together, how to properly apply margin, and how to properly get profit out of your business at the end of the year. Because the other question that's often asked is, what should my net profit be for the building business or a new home construction business in 2023? And look, the right answer is as much as the market will allow you to make, but the more simplified answer is between 5 and 10% net profit is what we're seeing on a typical building business in this market at this time. That's I hope that's a help to you, and we look forward to helping you with your business be successful.